3 Excel Power Tips for Customizing Excel. And I'm TrainerLori. This quick session covers tab color, column width, and selecting cells.
Right off the bat, we can right mouse click on the Sheet tab and get lots of options, including Insert, Delete, Rename, but one of my favorites is Tab Color. You can actually change the tab color so that it makes the sheets stick out more or make them more noticeable. Column width. You know that when you type and the words spill over into the second column, they are only showing as long as you don't put something in the second column. When you put something in the second column, it goes away. And maybe you've seen numbers that show up as hash marks because they're too narrow. Well, you probably know to double click on the line between the columns. When you do that, it increases the size of the column to fit whatever the widest item is in that column. You can also right click on it and choose column width. However, if you go up to Format, AutoFit, column width, it will automatically make it fit whatever you happen to put in whenever you happen to put it in. So you don't have to do that at the end, you can do that at the beginning, and then it will automatically fit the widest item that you have in that cell. Select All, the button in the top left corner next to the A and the 1. You probably know about this because it will select everything on the sheet. However, a lot of times we don't want to select everything because it adds formatting in cells that you may never use, and it could fill your workbook with bloat so much that you can't even email it. So instead you want to just select all the data, and to do that simply click in where you have data and hit Control A. When you do that, it will stop at any blank row or blank column. So what does that tell us about when we create our worksheets? That we don't insert blank columns or blank rows.